Hi y'all, welcome to my newest video. I'm Ashley and I own Ashley's Artistic Creations. This video is a step-by-step tutorial on making a coaster set that looks like stone or a granite. I'm going to be honest, I had a look in my head when I first started this and had no idea how to accomplish that look. And I'm totally winging this whole thing, but the end product I think turned out awesome and I couldn't be happier. So I hope you like the video. Please, if you do, don't forget to hit the like button or the thumbs up button. It helps let YouTube know and brings new viewers to my channel. And this is a newer channel. As I'm learning to shoot and edit videos, it's taken longer than I thought, but I'm coming around, so I'd love feedback from anyone to let me know your thoughts, ideas, or just to say hi. And if you like what you see and want to subscribe, that would be awesome as well. The more the merrier, and the more I'll be viewed, just by you joining. And when you join from the beginning, I think it's something, for me, it's encouraging to keep going. So seeing, the likes and the subscriptions really helps me. And I just want to inspire people like everyone's inspired me on here to, create something that is never been before, or you get an idea and you bounce it off someone else. So so anyway, I'm happy to have you, and I'm still learning, and I hope someone will learn from me as well. So what I did in this video, everything will be below in the comments as well. I started out by mixing Mayspring's Mystic Opal mica powder into 1 small cup, and the gold leaf mica I showed you in the very beginning of this frame, or in the very beginning of this video. It's very beautiful. I will link her store, and it was I believe on Etsy. I'll link that below for you. It was pretty good, nicely priced, and it works awesome. So I also mixed 1 cup with diamond dust white pigment with some like opal-y white glitter, and another cup with gold leaf flakes in another cup. And later on I mix some white pigment dye, but I use that in the last part of the coasters. I filled these molds a little bit beforehand, and I don't recommend doing that. The only one I would recommend doing that for is the holder itself, because of the way it came out at the end. So but just doing what I'm doing without putting the epoxy in first, I recommend that. And so off screen, I don't know if I think I'm just mixing everything up, and I'm sorry you can't see that, but I made I'd probably say 200 milliliters to begin with. I think I mix up a very small amount after to put in, and I just do a dirty pour, basically, dirty pour technique. And I take a cup, and I take each of my other cups, and I layer. So the Mystic Opal a little bit, and then the gold leaf flakes a little bit, and the white diamond pigment a little bit, and then and then so forth. And then I just dump it right in the mold. So it just kind of cures as is. I think that is it for me right now. I don't think I have anything else to say. I'll stop talking your ear off. I will put some music on and I'll chime in here in a little bit to explain a little bit more of what I'm doing. I hope you enjoyed my video. Alright, I forgot to mention another color that I had used. The second color was by mayspring as well, a mica powder. Very little of it, but it was the tanzanite blue. That actually mixed very well with this and made like the perfect combination for what I wanted. So I guess you wouldn't get very far without that color, so I'm glad I remembered that. Alright, enjoy. Thank you for sticking around. So basically, if you've held on this long and not fast forwarded, I'm going to, because it is getting pretty long, I'm going to go ahead and fast forward and just make it move a little bit faster. But as you can just tell that I'm filling them up, and after this I come in with a heat gun, I pop the bubbles, and I let it cure. So after that, I demold it, and you guys can see that. And then as well as I do something special at the end. Off camera, I'm sorry about that. Maybe if I do this again, I'll do it on camera. But it was just something that I decided to do. And it's a little surprise at the end. So I hope you guys like it. Please comment if you do. If you don't, I'd love to find out what you guys think. And I will catch you here in a little bit after these are demolded. I just want to point out one more thing here. You see what I'm doing here with the, I'm swirling around and then I'm sticking the stick down in the holder of the mold holder. I believe that's how I got the smoky effect. So be sure to do that. I'm relatively sure that's how I got that. I'm not sure how else I would have. And here's where I put the white pigment paste in, and I believe that also made a key difference in how these turned out at the very end. So I would just make a note of that at the very end, maybe some white pigment paste if you're doing it and for yourself. All right. And so here is the final product. What I did is just took a silver marker and a black marker, and I got some line art and I copied it basically. So that is all hand drawn, and I did a flood coat on the top of it. And then I took the gold leaf paint and I painted it around the sides. And there you have it. I am so happy with this, and it came out exactly how I wanted, if not better. So I hope you like it. If you did, please, again, hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.